YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today we are going to talking about chapter hop, skip and jump. Okay, hop, skip and jump. It is a kind of the game. Before starting the chapter, we have to know some of the important words meaning. So you can see here, first word is the grid. Okay, grid means a pattern of straight lines. It means you have to draw vertical and horizontal lines that make a squares. So that we call grid. Okay, and marker is a counter used for playing to game. It is a kind of the stone or a tiles that make a short or a small flat stones that using for the playing game. Okay, and tolerant. Okay, tolerant means side by side. Next is agility. Agility means ability to move with easy and quickness. Okay, it means going forward with the easy way and swiftness. Clear? Now next is nimbleness. Nimbleness means swiftness and the lightness of movement. It means your movement with used with the skill. That is the very it will be a, we can say that balance. Okay, balancial movement. Next is variant. Variant means variation. Okay, so I hope you all understand these words. Now next, some of the important words. So first word is the hopscotch. Okay, hopscotch is a easy and needs very little space to play. It is a kind of play. Okay, the main aim of the game is to hop and on one foot without touching the borders. Without touching the borders, you have to use one leg and start to jump or hop. Okay, and third point is the after tossing the marker, you must hop across 8 squares forward and backward. 8 square means it is a kind of the green that make on the surface areas, and that is the using there are some of the numbers and you have to hopping on these numbers or these squares. Okay, the game of hopscotch has a variation with different rules, and there are many rules in the hopscotch. So it is very important topics points. Now next we have to know what is the summary of this chapter. Okay, this summary start with the question of the a street game is played on the street rather than in an area especially prepared for it. Okay, you have to know many of the game that just like that football, cricket, kabaddi, etc. are the many games that needs more or much space. Okay, so many of the field used for this type of the games, but here the street game, it is very common word and you use these words in your all over village. Okay, and this is a street game. Why it called street game? Because in this game you have only need some of the leg space. Okay, very small space. In a small space you have to play very easy such type of the games. Okay, and it is usually a simple playtime activity that children do it their neighborhoods. Okay, they also play it inside of the neighbors. Okay, so the one street game every little child in India has played in Stapu, Ikad Tukad or Kiki. You know very well, hopscotch is a kind of the game that also played in India, played by the Indian person, Indian boys or girls, and they called it as a Stapu. Okay, Stapu, Ikad Dukat and Kit Kit. Here, and it's not playing in only India, it is also played in out of the country, and most of the part of our India played this game by the children. Okay, and what is the name of this game in other state or other district or other country other cities? So you can see, you have to learn the name of the Karnataka. Okay, in the Karnataka, this game is called as a Kunti Billi. Kunti Billi. This game name is Kunti Billi in Karnataka, Pandi in Tamil Nadu, and Tukudu Bila. Tukudu Bila is called in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. You know the southern area of the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and Kani in Kashmir. Kashmir is the northern state of our India. The game is called hopscotch in English, and we have also says known as hopscotch in English language. Clear? And it is the part of our childhood, and everyone know this game very well. In the ancient time, many of the students, many of the little boys are playing it, and nowadays you have to go in any street of the cities and village, you can see it. Okay, it is a good game for the children because it need very little space and can be played both outdoors and indoors. We can play this game as both time, just like that. You also played it outdoor means out of the house, and also play it in indoor. This game needs a short space, okay, a small space, and can be played both outdoor and indoor. A chalk is used to draw a grid of 8 squares. Okay, this game need a 8 square. I think you have to see such like I draw a part. First you have to draw it, you can see in your books. It is such type of the green, and it make similarly of this shape. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, then 8. Okay, I hope you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, it is the image of the game, and you have to use the chalk and draw this shape or this design at any surface areas. Okay, and you also nominated the number of the square 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, there are 8 square in this shape or in this design. To play the game, a player needs a marker. Okay, marker maybe it will be a small part of the stones, a small piece of the stone that was the flat, completely flat. It will be rectangle, or it will be triangle, or it will be circle, as your wish. Okay, and a small piece of the cells, and the players stand behind the starting line. Okay, the players also stand here. It is the starting line. Why? Because it is the starting the one number. Okay, so players is standing here and start to play. First he take the marker in her hand and throw it in the first square. It means number first. He throw it in number of first square, and then what he is starting? He start, then he see hoop one foot. He take the help of one foot and hoop from the first square, then second square, then third square. Okay, and continues hooping till the 8 square. Okay, till the 8 square. At the 8th square, she turns around, hoop through that squares till the second square. Okay, see, first he starting from here, throw the markers here, and then hooping one step, second step, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8. Then he also return from 7 6 5 4 3 2. After 2 square, okay, number of the second square, here she pause and picked up the marker from the first square and hoop over the first square and step out. Okay, here he paused and he picked pick the marker from the first square and then straight out of the boxing. Clear? The games can't move like this until all 8 squares have been played and the players complete the round successfully. Okay, it will be continuously he played such type, and in the last all the hopping is done of 1 foot unless there are two laterals means side by side. Okay, laterals square where the players has to land on both feet with 1 feet each square. Okay, after the complete the whole level, he complete the final level, then he got a one box for the rest, that he kept his both legs in the one square, that was he got, that was the he won. Okay, and hopscotch is simple but it is a game of skill, it is requires physical agility. Okay, it means the person, the boys, the girls was the fit for to his bodies. Okay, and nimbleness means swiftness and lightness of movement. Okay, it means he start his movement, that was the completely light, and it is the balancial. Okay, test the players balance and precautions. Okay, balance and precautions. A player is considered out if the marker does not land in the right square, touches and the border. Okay, it means when he playing this game, there are many kind of the rules, such like that when you have to play the cricket, then many of the rules, that was the, if the make a line of the out all side of the along side of the field, and if you hit the ball and gain going out of the line by using the by touching the ground, then it will be called 4, and if the it going through over the ground, then it will be 6, and if you have to touch the line in the pitch, then you have to get 1 or 2 numbers. As so as there are many rules in this game, it means in the hopscotch same rules, there are many rules. What kind of the rules? If you hop on this square, then if you touch this side of line, this side of line, and this side any side of the line, if you touch by your legs or your foot or your toes, then you have to out. Okay, it is the rule. Okay, and you need the ability to going swift and make the balance when you hopping on one leg. Okay, it is very important, and a player considered out if the marker does not land in the right square, touches the border or the green, or if the players loses balance and touches the border accidentally. There are several other rules and variation of the game which add the fun of difficulty level. Okay, it means one by one he got the success, then its level will be increased, and when the level will be increased, he have a trouble to play it, but when he played it, then he got much of the fun. Clear? Okay, many form of the hopscotch are played across the world. It is called Lele in Persian. It is this game hopscotch is not played only in India. It is also played in out of the country. Okay, just like that in the Persia, this it is called as a Lele, and in the French there are variant is known as a Scott or a Merlin Ronds. Okay, Merlin Ronds, and in the German, Austria and Switzerland, it is called the Himmels und Hölle. Okay, Himmel und Hölle means heaven and hell. The in the Switzerland and Germany, its name is Himmel Himmel urs Ole. That means heaven and hell. Okay. Usually the first square is called the earth, while the second to last square is called Hole. Hole means hell, and the last one is Himmel. Himmel means heaven. Heaven means a kind of the place. Okay. After the death, many of the person want to go in heaven. That is the heaven. Okay. So this last one is called the Himmel, and it is the German language. And the numbers hopscotch game is fun variation of an old favorite. Okay, it means many kind of the hopscotch, that is the strange, that is a different kind of the hopscotch, that is a different kind of the shape that you can see here. Here is the a kind of the hopscotch, and so as many of the hopscotch draw by the lines, and it's make it different squares. Okay, what is the difference between such type of the hopscotch and that type of the hopscotch? You have to read it on your books that given the some of the structure, some of the design. Okay, and in this type of the hopscotch, you don't need to toss a stone or use the marker for this version of hopscotch. Just keep the hopping on one foot and trying not to step on the wrong squares. Try it out. Clear? And make it trickier. Make it trickier for the players by the making them put their hands behind their backs or jump only the even of odds numbers squares in squares. Okay, it is the different kind of the game or different kind of the squares, and in this squares you have to use the need of the chalk space, some of the space part of the set with the flattened mud. And in the first step you have to make a grid of 12 squares on the ground. Okay, square of 2 by 2, the size of the square will be 2 by 2 feet or a good size. And in the second step you have to number of the squares 1 to 12. Here is the only 8, so you have to need 1 to 12 squares. Okay, and that do not number them in the squares, but make sure that a number isn't more than a row or away to the numbers. Okay, and hoop on one foot from the squares number 1 to square number to second square, then third, then fourth, etc. going on. Clear? So this is the other kind of the game, that is the similar of the hopscotch. Okay, as such the traditional game act on the learning aids. It is also creating two aids of the learning, that was the traditional game. Okay, and they teach us many things to learn to win or lose. The game is not only for enjoy, it is also give us a teach us a lesson. Okay, what kind of the lesson? To how to win, how to lose, to observe keenly and develop our sensory skill. Okay, sensory skill means thinking skill, and to improve our motor skill. In the motor skill you have to use all your body's part, like your head, your legs, your chest, everything, your neck, everything you will used in this game. Okay, that is the called motor skill. And sensory skill means to thinking about how do you win, how do you throw, how do you save. Okay, this is the coordination our sensor and our body. Okay, body means motor skill and sensor skill, and to plan and think logically, and last but not least to have fun. Okay, I hope you all understand this chapter, and I have to summarize it in a short way. So this is the hopscotch, and it is very interesting game, and you have to also play it and in your village, your cities, your streets. Okay, so thank you for the watching video. We have to meet in the next video.